Welcome to Hindi Urdu Learning Station. In this video, I will talk about the uses of postposition tak in Hindi and Urdu. Its literal translation in English will be up to or till. It shows duration of time, amount of space. Some examples. As I said, it shows that something extends to a specific point of time or space. Come by 10 o'clock at office, not later. 10 बजे तक दफ्तर आइए. I had to wait for you for a long time. मुझे बहुत देर तक आपका इंतजार करना पड़ा. तक as till the end of this month. इस महीने के आखिर या अंत तक. Till when? कब तक? Till that day. उस दिन तक. जब तक clauses describes a situation or action that is viewed as a line, for example, has duration in time. As long as the teacher is around, students keeps reading. जब तक अध्यापक या उस्ताद मौजूद रहते हैं, तब तक छात्र या तुलबा पढ़ते रहते हैं. She will kept working as long as you keep giving her money. जब तक तुम पैसे देते रहोगे वो काम करती रहेगी. जब तक clauses describe an action seen as a point in time or a limit to the action, translated as until or unless. The students kept up a continuous noise until the teacher came. छात्र लगातार शोर मचाते रहे जब तक कि अध्यापक आ नहीं गए. तुलबा मुसलसल शोर मचाते रहे जब तक कि उस्ताद आ नहीं गए. Say plus tak, it shows a complete range from X to Y and everything in between. That man was living in London from 2012 to 2016. वो आदमी 2012 से 2016 तक लंदन में रह रहा था. We can see from here to there. हम वहां से यहाँ तक देख सकते हैं. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Hindi Urdu lesson, Hindi Urdu Learning Station. Thank you.